Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can record a customer's or client's payment when they have paid their invoices. So on sidebar under sales there is the dashboard, and from dashboard there's two places where we can add a new payment by clicking on new payment under outstanding invoices section, or from drop down box and there is add new client payment. When we go to our invoices, we can add a new payment directly going through options and record client payment, or we can go also through client's payments and click on new client payment there. So we will go through invoices, options, record client payment. It already pre-fills details from that invoice which is due for a payment. Select the date when we received money. Also from in which bank account we have received. So for example, in my case, in business account. Reference. If you know invoice number, you can add an invoice number. Okay. And then we can allocate. If Alex have paid only 50% of invoice, we can add 25, and then 25 will be still outstanding to pay. In my case, he have paid in full. Save client payment. And when I go back to invoices, dashboard invoices, and I look on invoice 0009, there is nothing outstanding and there is allocated payment, the one which been added. We still have an options to edit this payment. Example, if we have overseen it and it should be £40 only, or we can completely delete it if that's been by mistake entered. So this is a way how we can record a payment on a client's account to particular invoice where they have paid. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the link in the description section below to complete Crunch tutorial where I go through the whole process of how you can set up yourself on Crunch until the very last step, which is self-assessment preparation.